Hello from Dhaka, this is Moutushi Jubaida Rahman and you are watching Basis News. Sylhet, a city where every breeze carries the scent of tea gardens, where rivers wave through ancient history, and where culture, nature, and spirituality meet in a perfect blend. It's a place that feels alive with stories, and today we are stepping into one of those stories, a story that has been ticking for more than a century. One of Sylhet's most iconic landmarks, the Ali Amjad Clock Tower, is now more than 152 years old. Every day, tourists from home and abroad stop to admire this unique piece of history. And it's easy to see why. Standing right beside Sharoda Hall on the bank of the Surma River and just 100 meters from Sylhet's zero point, the clock tower greets anyone entering the city from the Keane Bridge. Since the mid 1870s, it has been a silent guardian of the northern gateway to Sylhet. But the story of this tower begins much earlier. In 1874, when Viceroy Lord Northbrook visited Sylhet, Nawab Ali Ahmad Khan of Prithim Pasha decided to honor him. He built this clock tower and named it after his son, Ali Amjad. Researchers believe the design was inspired by Delhi's famous Chandni Chowk architecture, a piece of India's aesthetic transplanted into Sylhet's landscape. According to Sylhet City Corporation, the clock tower is 9 feet 8 inches long, 8 feet 10 inches wide, and 26 feet tall. The clock face is about 2.5 feet in diameter with 2-foot long hands. Simple numbers, but together they form an elegant structure, a tall dome resting on iron pillars wrapped in corrugated sheets and admired for its distinctive silhouette. Today, it proudly stands as a symbol of Sylhet. But like many historic landmarks, it has faced its share of hardship. During the Liberation War in 1971, Pakistani soldiers damaged the tower. Later, with support from expatriate Sylhet residents and the then Sylhet municipality, it was rebuilt. After several rounds of renovation, the clock was fully restored in 2016. It now chimes every hour, enchanting visitors with its rhythmic, timeless echo. The Ali Amjad Clock Tower isn't just an old structure, it's the heartbeat of Sylhet ticking through generations. Restore its surroundings and this historic gem can shine again, reminding everyone that Sylhet's past is not just to be remembered, it's meant to be celebrated. That's all for now. For more videos like this, visit BSS. Thanks for watching.